In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with buttons. So we've got recent items button, home button, and back button. If you'd like to use gestures instead, just open the settings, in search area enter navigation bar, mark it, open navigation bar, and here as you can see you can either use buttons, and here you can change the buttons order, or you can select swipe gestures. So if you want to use gestures instead, just mark swipe gestures, tap on more option to manage it. Here you can change the sensitivity. As you can see here, you've got the edges that would be active. So I will pick the higher option, and from now on you can use your gestures smoothly by sliding from right to left and from left to right. You can go back, then by quick slide up you can go back to your home screen, and if you would like to check the recent items, just slide up and hold it for a while, and here it is. So that will be all. This is it. This is how we can change navigation bar. Obviously, whenever you'd like to go back to button navigation, you can do it the same way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.